Yes, I just want to show some of the damage that was done. We just had a bad windstorm here, maybe a week ago now. You can see it blew over this rotten. This is a white pine. And this is right behind the house. You might be able to hear the chickens, the guinea hens. They was crowing. Okay, this is no surprise to me at all that it fell over. I've been watching it. You might be able to see where the woodpecker's been at it. They've been pecking at it here for quite some time. So I'm going to show you a few more. With this tree here, nothing of any value got broken down, so lucky on this one. This is another tree that broke. I'm just trying to show the rot that's right in there. That's what caused it to fall, really. I've been looking at this tree too. I've been seeing it. I knew it wasn't much good, but that's the way it goes. It fell over just due to the rot. And there it is right there. Fell over. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to stop this again. There's 2 or 3 that is uprooted over on the left-hand side. I don't really know why these fell over. Uprooted, because that first tree had never even touched them. But I suppose one started going, and then another one went. There is 3 in here that fell over. There was one that wasn't too bad. The other 2, it wasn't nothing worth any money. Money, I mean logs. Ain't much money in pulp. Logs is where the money is. For some reason, this area, just this little, small little 40-foot square area got hit hard. This is a white maple tree. This one here, I know you can't see it, but it has a lot of rot right along here. I had no idea that this tree was rotten, and that's why it fell over, because of the rot. It did knock over another tree. It uprooted it, which was kind of too bad. That one there was a good one, but that's the way it goes. The sun, the roots are right there. It was another white maple tree, but that's what happens sometimes, though. So all this here will be firewood. All the white pine, I'll get it out, and I will be burning it. Not this year. I will probably leave it right here for a year. Then next year I'll come and get it. This tree here was, well, looks like about 16 inches across. No, it's too bad, but Mother Nature, if you don't thin them out, Mother Nature will. I just wanted to show just a little bit of storm damage. There's one of my wood road right there in the middle. I come up here and I was getting out some wood, and maybe I will again later on. Like and subscribe. You never know what's going to be on my video. Have a great day.